This tutorial will walk you through the process of completing job order transactions. Log in to the system with the respective login credentials. The first step is creating job orders. Go to the Sales module. Select Typing Sales Quotation. Select the customer from the list. Select Required Services from the drop-down. Fill all the required columns. Assign a staff by selecting them from the Assign to column. Click on Add Item to add the next item. Once completed, click on Place Order. Once successful, the following screen will appear. The next step is to add expense against transaction. Go to Sales module. Select Job Order Transactions. Select the respective customer from the list. Click on Submit. The job orders will be displayed in list view here. Click on the following icon to add expense against the transaction. The following window will appear. Select the supplier from the drop-down. Enter the service charge, commission, and all the other required details. Select a payment account if the payment is made right away. If the payment is to be received later, select Delayed. Once completed, click on Add Expense. The next step is marking the transaction as completed. Now, for marking the transaction as completed, click on the following icon. In the window that appears, enter all the required details. Click on Mark as completed. The next step is processing the final invoice. Go to the Sales modules. Go to Job Order List. Find the job order from the list. Click on this icon for processing the final invoicing. Select the required item. Click Process Invoice. The following window will appear once the invoice has been processed.